In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your chart, then you want to go to alert up top over here. And as you can see, first you have to select what you want to create an alert on. So here I'm currently on the Bitcoin USD chart, so that's why it's showing that, but you could also create this on your watch list. So I'm going to leave it on this current symbol. If you want to switch the symbol, just switch your chart, and that's how you can do it. Now here you have the condition, it's going to be price, and then you can select whether you want it to be crossing, so either up or down, crossing only up, or crossing only down. So I'm going to leave it as crossing either way, and then here you can select the price. I'm going to actually put this to 73,850, and if you want to add more conditions, you can click on plus add condition and add more of them over here. I'm actually just going to leave it like it is over here, okay? Now you have show more options over here as well, which I forgot to mention earlier. So there's a show more option, which allows you to put on different things over here. You could do greater than, less than, entering channel, etc. But these usually are going to be a bit more advanced. So these three are kind of the default ones, which you can be looking at. But if you're more advanced, of course, you can use this show more feature as well to basically see all of the possibilities. Now here, when you add your conditions, you want to go and select the trigger. It could be once only or every time this happens. Then it can be the expiration date here. You can set this. By default, for me, it's going to be July 1st, 2026, but you could do like 1 month, 1 week, end of day, or open-ended. Then you have the message. You can put a custom message on here. I'm just going to leave it like it is because it's fine. It's still just, of course, kind of a message for me. And then here, notifications can be enabled. You have notify an app, show toast notification, send email, webhook. You can play the sound, which I enabled, and you can also send plain text to an alternative email if you want that, okay? I'm gonna click on apply, and now you can click on create, and there we go, your alert has been set and created. If you want to see and manage your alerts, you can go to the top right and click on this alerts button, and it's gonna show you all your alerts, those that have been stopped and triggered, and this one which is still active, okay? You can go and set it by clicking on edit over here. You can change it, or of course delete it or pause it as well. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.